Now, made statements, you have expressed your concerns, you have expressed your anger, you have expressed your dissatisfaction, and we have heard that the Federal High Court has given an order for the release of Mr. Sowore. Now that you have brought some documents to the National Human Rights Commission with respect to this issue, the Commission, in its practice, is going to engage competent federal government authorities to ensure compliance with this order of the Federal High Court. Now, the Commission cannot go to the public. The Commission cannot act when it has no facts before it. The Commission does not act on sentiments. The Commission does not act on, what people are saying, except there are material documents. We cannot engage competent authorities by saying that we are hearing that a court has given an order. Now, this man was represented by a council, and the council has taken appropriate action by ensuring the service of this order on the DSS. Now, you have equally come here now with a letter and with some materials. So what it means is that you want the National Human Rights Commission to step into these matters. Yes. And the Commission is going to do that. Majority of people have been arbitrarily arrested and detained for one reason or the other. And as a result of the intervention of the National Human Rights Commission, most of these people have been released. Of course, there are some of these things that go outside that go into the public domain in terms of press releases, in terms of press statement. But what we do every minute of the day is to ensure that the human rights of all Nigerians are protected. And yes, of course, there can be no any perfect situation, but I can tell you convincingly and without any fear that the effort of the National Human Rights Commission has resulted in the protection of the rights of Nigerians in so many dimensions, and the Commission will continue, to take steps to ensure that rights are protected. So we are going to engage, as I said, and we are going to give you feedback. If there is need for the Commission to make press statements with respect to this issue, the Commission will not be shy. The Commission will not be shy to do that. But I know that in the past, so we have issued press statements advising governments at all levels, advising government authorities to respect the rights of everybody. So we have done that, and we will continue to do that. We have even issued what is called advisory to law enforcement agencies on the respect for the rights of suspects. We have also issued advisory on the responsibilities of Nigerians to protest responsibly and within the ambit of the Constitution and of the law. And we have also advised competent security forces and agencies to respect the constitutional rights of peaceful protesters, and we will continue to do that. So I thank you. Expect the feedback from us with respect to these documents that you have submitted. Then lastly, despite the fact that you are angry, despite the fact that you are dissatisfied, I will urge you to continue to carry out this protest within the ambit of the law, because it is your constitutional right to engage in peaceful protest. But you and I know that if care is not taken, some people that may not be part of you, they may, cause chaos and confusion, and this may lead to the violation of the rights of other Nigerians. And as we know, as we have the right to protest and to seek for our human rights, every other Nigerian equally has the same right and responsibility. So once again, I thank you for the way you have conducted yourself here, and I, on behalf of the Executive Secretary, have received these documents and we shall act on them.
Your name, sir?
Yeah, my name is Abdul Rahman Yakubu. So I am the Director of Civil and Political Rights of the National Human Rights Commission.
Greatest Nigerian people. Greatest Nigerian people. So, we really appreciate you for having us. You are a well-organized and